What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to install some key fobs on a 2006 Ford Focus. It's a pretty straightforward thing. I did try to get one of these at a local parts store and they were absolute garbage. The buttons fell out right away. So I ordered these for just a few bucks on Amazon. I can link to that. They seem to be a lot higher quality, not very expensive. So it's a pretty straightforward process. What we're going to do is turn the key to the on position and back off again 4 times. So on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off within 6 seconds. Then you have, I think about within 20 seconds, you're supposed to hit any button on this and then on your first one, and then do the same thing with your second one. And then you just turn it back to off. So we're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hear the chime. You can hit confirmed. Then we'll hit this one. Confirmed. Should be off. I guess it said to turn it to an off position. Well, it is off. So should be lock, unlock. That's the first one. Second one. Easy as that. If you enjoyed that video, leave a thumbs up. It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So have a good one. Bye.